We designed our line of collaborative solutions to address the way we work and approach business in the 21st century. With 4 different prepackaged systems, integrators can choose appropriate configuration for their customers' needs, with kits accommodating 2 to 4 users. Today we'll show you what's included in the HuddleVU Quad Digital Kit. Inside the box, you'll find 2 under-table channels for wire management. Your HuddleVU kit will contain your choice of a black or aluminum CT6 table box. This kit includes a pre-installed 2 AC, 2 USB large bracket, and a small bracket with space for 3 Keystone snap-in jacks. This particular kit also includes a 4 HDMI presentation scaling switcher. Each HuddleVU kit includes all the necessary hardware, bracketry, and required cables to get you up and running in no time. The Quad Digital Retractor Kit allows button control on the mounted presentation switcher located under or above a desktop with the supplied mounting ears. Each HuddleVU kit can be upgraded, each with an optional set of 4 retractors. For more information, visit us at fsrinc.com or give our inside sales team a call at 973-998-2300.